it's MK and I am here to show us our fourth and final kit for Kit Conspiracy. I am so sad that this is it, you guys, but for this kit we will be on our own. There's no inspiration from Pinterest, there's no scrap lifting, there's no sketch, there's nothing. We are on our own for this kit. Now this kit is inspired by Paper Rose's Mountain Trek. This was my favorite kit, you guys, from Paper Rose. I fell in love with the colors, the theme, the works. I love this kit. So first paper we have is this really cool boot paper. I love this paper, you guys. I know, I just said that. It's okay. And then on the other side, I've got a bunch of moons in all the different phases, which again, I still really love. And at the very bottom of each paper is this really cool paper strip, which I use as washi tape, which is weird, on their branding strip. So no waste paper. I love that too. Oh, how many times am I going to say the word love? I have no idea. But I do have to say that I think a couple videos ago I did a spiel on my washi tape little thoughts and dislikes. So anyways, I also have this really cool paper. Look at that tree line, the gorgeous yellow. I mean, it is just gorgeous. Again, with the paper strip down at the bottom, no waste. And it is their border strips along with a few cut-aparts. Okay, am I too close? Yep, too close. Okay, so that's what that is. And these are just labeled, this one here is labeled E, this one here is labeled A. You can't buy them in individual pieces, so it's the whole kit. I bought mine off of scrapbook.com. I don't know if they're still available or not, because I think I got it last year. So they might still have some hanging around. This is quite a new kit, not a few. This is F, and oh, it's my favorite. It is my favorite piece. Besides the yellow and the green, this one is my favorite. Anyways, and then I've got the icons on the other side, no waste, right here. I know, I'm taking too long. And then another one of my favorites, this is paper D. I just love the, it looks like I could frame it on a wall and put like a giant word right here and I'm done. It just, that's what it, seriously, it's awesome. And then I have more icons on the other side. Now, there are two different icons going on. I could use these as fussy cutting, should I choose to. And then the no waste border at the bottom. And last, with the papers, is Trek B, which is this gorgeous tree ring. Gorgeous. Oh, and I love all the splatty bits that they've already got printed on. So the mixed media is already done for you. And then more trees on the other side. And then this strip here is a bunch of words that are very useful. Very, very useful. And of course, I have to apologize, you guys. This was a full sheet. I am so sorry. I got so excited to start creating with this kit that I already cut into my cut-aparts on this piece of paper. I don't even remember. It has a border strip, but I don't remember what it's called. Let me see if I can't find it. Really quick. In my pouch. Nope. I don't know, you guys. Oh, here it is. Here it is. It is C. And this is what it looks like right here, which I think is pretty cool. It's just got a bunch of arrows. That's my favorite border too. I like that. And then the other side is Flying Birds. I love that. Reminds me of Indiana Jones. So yes, we've got all the little cut-aparts, and I started already cutting them apart for my layouts. I apologize, you guys. I really, really do. Also, we added to the kit. Now, mine aren't the same as Janet's. Again, we just went into our stash and did lookalikes. But we pulled in a yellow piece of paper. We only are concentrating on the yellow. Mine happens to be this gorgeous kind of a pale black. It's not gray, but it's not stark black like a cardstock would be. So it definitely isn't like a full-on black, but it's, I don't know, it's like on the very far side of gray. But we did pull it for the yellow. And same with this green. It's, wow. Yeah, and then I've got this, again, it's a gray, a bluey gray on this one. Like a black gray and a bluey gray. But I pulled it out for the green, and this one's actually a Christmas green that I pulled it out for. I love this lime green. Next up we have is, whoa, that's upside down, is another Paper Rose collection. Hey, I had no clue. That just dawned on me that we picked out all Paper Rose papers. This one here is Textures 1.2. Last time we used 1.0. This one is 1.2. And I wanted to go through it. I have all but one piece, again, in this collection. So here we have, actually, I forgot to stop it. So that's it. They're doubles. Everything is doubles, except this is the only piece that I have one of because I've already cut up the hexagons. And then on the other side, it's this gorgeous dark, but it has that little bit of green inside that makes it match this other paper very well. Okay, this other collection. All right, and then for the other one, we've got this gorgeous, I mean, it is beautiful wood planks. Almost looks like they're like divoted inside. Anyways, and then on the other side, it's this beautiful gray. And it is kind of shiny, but it's this beautiful gray, distressed. Still matches the other collection beautifully. Beautiful. All right, I know, I sound like a weirdo. Then we have this tree ring. Oh. And it's quite unusual because it's like a dehydrated tree ring, and you don't actually see the outside bark for it to be a ring. You just see all these really cool dried up grooves. It's awesome. And then the other side is, it almost looks like dried sand to me. That's what that looks like. Not sure if it's supposed to be stone or not. Anyways, so I've got that. Then I have a beautiful, looks like I only have one piece of another one too. I'm sorry. I've used my papers, you guys. Forgive me. I have this green, gorgeous, and it looks like there's either paint peeling off, like they painted it yellow and then it's now peeling off, it's showing the green, or it's mold. You guys see that? I can't tell if it's paint or supposed to be mold, but it is awesome. I absolutely love that. And the other side is, again, another tree ring, but it looks like two trees that grew together. Oh, that is so cool. And the detail inside this. That is beautiful. Nope, I did. I found it. Never mind. I've got two pieces. Huh? Again, a green. Beautiful wood grain. These are all almost wood grains, aren't they? And then this gorgeous pale wood grain. It's like a gray pale, or a khaki pale is kind of what it looks like. So you got your streaks of gray and streaks of brown. Oh my gosh. That is awesome. Okay, and last but not least, you've got a darker tree ring. Well, I do. Sorry. Darker tree ring, and on the other side it's cork. So it looks like a pushpin board. That is awesome. Alright, so those are the papers that we chose for this collection. Paper Rose doesn't really have a whole lot of embellishments to go with this, so I am kind of curious what we're going to be bringing in to make these layouts complete. I absolutely love this, but I did get started on the cut apart sheet already just to kind of get a head start before I recorded, and so I'm very, very sorry, but these will be some of the embellishments that I start using. Alright, thank you so much. Again, with this kit, we are on our own. It's like a freestyle, so I don't know if Janet's going to use any inspiration or anything. I don't plan on it. I just plan on scrapbooking, you know, my style. So, anyways, not that I haven't been scrapbooking my style. That sounds so weird. But yes, that is what we are going to be playing with all week long, and I can't wait to see what Janet comes up with. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys all later. Bye!